So Lisa says she has a gift for me that she's been waiting to give me for a long time. And here she is. We're at the Denmark airport, Copenhagen.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Well, what gift do you have for me? Hang on. Really?
Take it
Tigger.
and bounce it.
Wait, what? How do you bounce it? You know, honey, I think this may be a very big mistake. Do you know what I'm going to do now?
I know. I knew that your family would hate me.
I'm going to play with this and smile. T-I-W, and that spells the in your face Tigger.
Bye.